Hi there, this is AcuPower. My name is Anna, and today I want to walk through the new features related to our integration between Acumatica and Jira. So, our new features will help project managers, finance teams, and executives. Basically, anyone who needs to track real-time project and case progress. It prevents duplicating data, reduces errors, and ensures project issues and case updates from Jira are automatically synced to Acumatica and vice versa. That means more accurate billing and faster reporting. So let's take a closer look at the solution we are offering. So this is our Jira integration preferences screen, and specifically, the mapping tab allows us to map system entities with Jira entities. Currently, projects and cases can be mapped with Jira software, and only fields of the same format can be mapped. For example, date time to date time. For example, let's map the project description to the Jira issue description. To do this, we need to select Project in the System Entity drop-down menu. In the System field drop-down menu, we need to select Description, and in the Jira field selector, also select Description. As this field has a rich text format, we need to select this checkbox. Also, let's configure mapping from Jira to System. For example, let's map Jira field called Created Date and the System field called Start Date. I have a project that is integrated with this story in Jira, and let's, for example, change the description. So now, when I press Sync with Jira, it will synchronize this description with the currently blank description. Also, this field, which is read-only and is generated automatically when the issue is created, will be synchronized with the start date, which is currently today. It's the 3rd of July because they created this project today. So let's see how it works. We can see that the start date has been updated as the 2nd of April, and that description has also been updated here. Now let's look at cases. On the Cases tab, we basically have all settings to configure synchronization of case activities and attachments with Jira tickets. Now let's see how it works. First of all, we need to configure our case class. We need to select Create Issue in Jira checkbox. Also, we need to configure our business account. We need to fill in the Jira section. Basically, now we are configuring the parent issue under which a new Jira issue will be created once a case is created in Acumatica. So here, we need to select the issue type. As I've chosen here, a parent issue as task. Under it, I can create only subtask. And now, once we create a new case, and we need to select our configured case class, and we need to select the configured to a business account. The subject will be the name of the Jira issue. And once we save our case, let's check in Jira what is created. So a new Jira subtask has been created under the parent task that we configured here. Also, if we, for example, add any comment to this subtask and press Sync with Jira toolbar button, we can see that a new record has been created in the Activity tab, and our comment is displayed here. Also, if we add any attachment to our case in Acumatica, and again press Sync with Jira button, we can see that this attachment has been added to the Jira issue as well. Also, we can add attachments directly to the details section. For example, let's choose this one, and let's press Sync with your button again. And we can see that this attachment has been added to the Jira issue as well. And lastly, we've added an integration with Tempo for your convenience. Here in the Tempo tab, we can configure Tempo work log synchronization. But first of all, we need to make sure that the Tempo software is active and successfully connected. This can be done on the Jira Connection Preferences screen on the Tempo tab. And after that, we can go here and select Tempo Work Log Synchronization checkbox. And also we can select Tempo Teams here, whose work logs we would like to store in Acumatica ERP. Also on the General tab, we have a new field called Time Activity Cost Code. This allows to select postcode, which will be added to each created employee time card. And also we can store in Acumatica ERP only work logs with specific field options. And this can be configured in this section. For example, if we choose Work Log Sync Condition field as earning type, and we can see several options for this drop-down, and for example, let's select PDEV. And in this way, only Jira issues with PDEV option chosen for the Acumatica Jira integration earning type Only these work logs will be synchronized with Acumatica ERP. This was a quick overview of what Jira integration with Acumatica is capable of. Don't hesitate to reach out to our team for a personalized demonstration. For this, leave your request at the Acumatica Marketplace or visit our website AcuPowerERP.com to book a convenient slot for the meeting. Thank you for your time and have a great day.